All right. Hey,
Yep.
everybody. So yesterday, Ken showed us how to um, use ChatGPT to create a document for the core features functionalities of the app. Then he used ChatGPT to create an MVP document and also to create a document outlining the UI for the app. So today we'll be proceeding further. Ken, show is yours. Go ahead.
Yep. So today, I think yesterday, like Stanley mentioned, we create a MVP idea, right? The core feature. We list out all the core feature, and then we list out the UI. And then yes, I want to one mention is when you have um, a core UI or the MVP core feature, you can copy to the Google Doc, right? For example, MVP phase one, right? For the definition, you copy out, and then UI you copy. So you don't need to scroll back all the way up to see your the plan. Okay. So today, first of all, we have UI plan right now. Right now, we go to design uh, process right now. So one idea is, how do you want your website looks like? So there's a couple, there's a dribbles.com, no, triple B, right? Um, it's not double, triple B.com. You can Google it. It will come back. And then you can search, like, for example, web design for mental health, right? Because our Bingdom goes to the mental health. So I find one here, right? You want to find the one that have whole landing page like this, right? Then you can copy, screenshot this. Okay, you just screenshot behind the scene, right? Whatever you did, and then you can copy to the link. Let me see. Oh, here we go. That's the one thing. Yeah, that's the link here. This one is the special training AI prompt. So basically, they they will able to analyze the landing page. What's the to give you a prompt of what the landing page is about. So if I just copy here and then you just hit enter, then you're still able to see the screen, right?
I can. Um,
You can.
yeah, so
Yeah.
just for everybody who's watching, this is
Mhm.
a specially trained, fine-tuned ChatGPT version called Snap Prompt. It's by a person that we met on Twitter, Prajwal Tomar.
Mhm.
So please follow him on Twitter or X. And I think this is something that he had shared on X, but we actually part of his school group where he shared this as well.
Yeah. So if you look at it, it will tell you this landing page is about mental health, right? Targeting student. And then he will give you the website, the color, the everything, the website description, again, is about mental health, the design principle, and it'll give you UI too about this landing page. So he's still generating right now, right? The whole thing. We gotta wait for the finish. So it's finished. So what we do is we copy this whole thing, right? Copy this whole thing here. Then we go back to previous that ChatGPT that we have, that up the UI, the one that you generate, right? You copy there. Hold on. Then at the end, you say, I'm going to record it using this one. See it's working. Um, Please give me detailed textual description of our landing page based on the about description, but updated for the Bingdom. Feel free to go through our conversation and ensure this landing page of our MVP Bingdom goes well. So let's see. So I don't need to type. And let me see. Is this true? Okay, yeah, you see right here? Give me detailed textual description of our landing page, but updated to Bingdom. You see, Bingdom is wrong, so you need to correct that. Feel free to go to comment ensure landing page goes well with the Bingdom. Right, you hit go attack, and then he give you the new palm based on the Bingdom, the idea that you have. The way.
So basically, the reason why we go to the other snap prompt is because this gives you better results. If you were just to take that initial screenshot, put it in ChatGPT without the additional information that the snap prompt derived, then you wouldn't have the same results.
Yep. This is totally agree. So it's definitely like he's generating. Let's wait a little bit.
Pretty detailed.
Yep. Yes, column followers, Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, almost done. Should be almost done. Okay, so then after finish, right? That you just need a copy from here all the way to the at the beginning of the. Oops, sorry. We copy again. Ooh, too fast. Slow down. Okay, copy this. Then now you can go to bolt.new, right? Remember bolt, B-O-L-T dot N-E-W. So we sign in already. You sign in as a Google account, Google Gmail account, right? And then they will give you a few token credit. So is it free right now? So we're gonna see if they ask me to us if we needed to pay monthly subscription. So what you need to do is you copy the prompt here. So you say, first of all, I am building this landing page for, right? You copy holding here, Bingdom. You did that. Like this. And then you're going to attach the file that you just downloaded. Let me see if I can find it. That's the one. No, I don't think that's the one. Oh, I don't think I saved it. So let me go back.
Copy paste.
Yeah, I don't think I saved it. So let me copy this. Let me do the screenshot again. Okay. Download and then put a download folder there. Okay, go back again. Go to vote new. Let me go back to the attached file. Let me see if I can find this one now. Here we go. That's the one I just do that. So you attach the landing page, right? And you say, I'm building this landing page with Bingdom. Okay. Then you say, okay, please refer to the attached image for design inspiration. Then you hit enter. Now the ball is going to design your web app based on the image and based on the prompt that OpenAI to give you. It will take
And
a
this is
while.
interesting. Yeah. This is interesting because I use Cursor. I never use Bolt, but this is the interesting thing that Bolt shows you the preview. Cursor just kind of writes the code. So
Yeah.
this is I like this a lot. This is interesting.
Yep. So you can see that he's building the hero session right now, which is the main landing page, right? And then keep building, and then you can see it. They can build in the header, they build in the button. You will, you see right here, you also see you have a 146K daily token remaining. So let's see how it goes. And then after building, you can hit the preview here, and then you can preview your web page.
Yeah. I think with Cursor now, there's some MCP that you
Mhm.
can use, Magic UI, I believe, but I'm not sure.
Mhm.
It's I haven't used it yet.
Yeah. So this is the Sonny and I try to shoot the video as raw as possible, and then you can see the live action. We're gonna make mistake. We're gonna basically as real as possible. So basically, you will facing same same thing as what we did, what we're doing right now actually.
Yeah, most
Okay,
videos on YouTube are just successes. Make an app in 45 minutes. That's usually not how it works.
that's right. Especially at the beginning, I remember I first time to learn using Bow takes minimum 2 3 days, not 24/7 working, right? You have your own job, but you spend decent time to make an app looks at least functional. Yeah.
Yeah. I think from a UI perspective, probably Bolt and Lovable are two that can make really
Hmm.
nice.
Okay, now you see the problem too, actually, as a matter of fact. So, um, so there's a terminal error. Let me see. Okay, there's something that you try to call doesn't work, and then you can discuss the problem here, or you can attempt to fix it, right? So you should say, I think, attempt to fix it. Let's see if they can fix the problem. Okay,
There you go.
let me see. Let me do refresh. Looks like something is, you see the picture here doesn't match,
Yeah.
right? This is the beginning, but this picture, I think they call this picture, there are a lot of picture in the code they build. It's called from public free image service. Okay. If you look at the codes later on. But let me see. The width is okay. The picture can change, right? The bottom, they have a wide Bing Dom, right? Wide Bing Dom is go there. But this picture doesn't make sense also, right? So you see, it's like a robot and human. And then this is how it works. Now,
This is
how
funny
you,
because last
yeah,
time you built the first time you built it, it was better results, right?
that's right. That's right.
Mm.
And then if you hit pricing, there's no pricing going on. So the pricing
Hmm.
is not there. For professional, it's totally different. Why the first time I built. So we need to fix the picture and then the landing page better, right? If you hit the login,
Yeah.
let's see. If you hit the login, you don't even see able to for example, prompt you to the username password. So let's say, right, make it easy. The login doesn't work, right? You can
Mm.
ask the bot, say, hey, you say, hey, say, hey, right? The login when I click the login didn't prompt me to uh username, email. Can you fix that, right? Um, so let's see if that's working.
Ken, when you made this in yours, were you
Mhm.
using Supabase for authentication?
Yes, but this is front end. So basically,
Okay.
they will give you at least able to see able to enter your name and email, right, to log
Okay.
in. Then when you click it, you will see it, but when you enter it, it will not work because you still need this backend shipper base to
Understand.
work. Yep,
Okay.
yep. So everything is front end. Front end, you look. maybe enter something doesn't work. Maybe still, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he say I add the login model with the email password authentication. Before you work, you will need the ship connect to Superbase, right? Um, so let's see. They ask you to connect Superbase. Show the problem. Um, you can, you don't need to do. You can tell him, hey, I can do the backend later, or you can you can follow the suggestion. So let's say I follow the suggestion, connect to Superbase right now. Okay, attempt to fix. There's that's error missing Superbase connection. Yeah. So please
You have
right
to click
now.
on integrations on the top right and add it.
They should tell me what to do. Actually, they will ask you. Okay, let me see. Discuss the problem. Right. Let's see. Yeah. You see. Let me see. Ensure. You can tell him this.
What's on the top right under integrations?
Yeah, you can integrate with the Superbase, but they should able to
Yeah.
tell you what to do actually. If you are
Okay.
no coding experience, say this is the first time to integrate. Let me see, it's working, right? To Superbase, can you help me? For example, right? Okay, you see implement Superbase integration, right? You say, wait,
Hmm.
click here.
So we're doing all this, and it's still on the free version of Volt.
Yes, well, 29K is left.
Where do you see
Daily
that?
token. Right
I
here,
don't
the
see
bottom,
that.
right here, right here. See that? The one I highlight.
Maybe. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Yeah, you see it before. So okay, now it's funny that once you're able to sign a new user, but what is the problem? They should. Last time I did, it asked me to log in the Superbase. So because we don't have a standard account yet, wait, so
Hmm.
let's one more time see attempt to fix, see what they say. Column missing the URL. Please click the connect Superbase button in the top right. See right here, they tell you,
Hmm. Yeah.
right? So in the top right, you go to Superbase. And then, oh, we don't have GitHub connect with SSO. So there's only GitHub and SSO. So let's say connect to GitHub.
Or you can put in. Oh, okay. I think you had an option there for email and password.
Where is it? Let me see.
There you
Where
go.
is it?
Right there. Go down. There you go.
Oh, okay. But I don't know. Maybe GitHub is better, I would say. Let me see. Ken, right? Sunny, right? Because
Did
I think
you?
eventually you will go there, right? Eventually. Let me
I didn't
sign
know
in
you
right
had.
now.
Okay.
Incorrect. Oh, you need to sign, create new account. Create new account. My bad.
Yes. Yeah.
Create new account right here. Oh, the GitHub need to create new account too. Okay, got it. And white at gmail.com. They look at they see my password. Oh, what part? Oh, that's username. Okay, my bad. Okay, that's fine.
Dude, you're so proud of being a CCIE.
What's that? Well, to solve the puzzle. Okay. Find the image, the price held.
God,
What's
I
that?
hate this.
Yeah, what's this mean?
I have no idea what that is.
Match this. Oh, right here. But I cannot click it. Find the image, the price, the left, held by call. Oh, that's not
Make
it.
that. Press the button. Yeah.
Oh, this is the one. Okay,
Oh
wow.
man.
That's the. Oh, now I need to go to email. Hold on. GitHub launch. So this will continue. See, right now it's authorized Superbase. Okay. Authorized API access the bowl. Yep. Because the bowl need to access the Superbase.
Makes
You need
sense.
to, you need to allow the bowl to access Superbase.
This is boring my dog.
Say again.
I said this is boring my dog.
Yeah. This is like the first time you set up. That's exactly what I do and Sunny do, right? We don't know what the bowl looks like. We don't know what you need to integrate. Right now we need to integrate with the Superbase doing the white coding. So you can see in add function. Yeah, that's super important. API key. The bowl has a native integration with the Superbase, so it's better. You don't need to go in there to do some, go in the Superbase, create your own account and then link it. Yeah, right now integrate itself. So we'll see. Let's see what's going on here now. Hopefully not take too long.
Yeah. Anything else we can do in the meantime?
No, nothing, because we need to fix the letter project. Let me see. What's that? Connection with project manager, data set up authentication, create backend function and more. No project yet. I don't
We
know
can
what
create a new
happened.
project there.
But hold on a second. Oh, create organization, finally finish. Let's see. Okay, that's fine, right? Three,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, create organization. Hold on. Takes time. Because I think, let's see, let me finish first. Is this finished first yet? What do I do? Yeah, I thought I created already.
Yeah.
Organization need to
Uh,
install integration. Your account is associated in the organization. To use integration, you must install with organization. You'll be redirected to create organization first. I thought I did already, but I thought I did already. I clicked that. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I authorize go again. Okay, now
okay.
connecting both the Superbase successfully. Okay, you can close the window or the window will close. Okay, now here,
So for those who don't know Superbase is essentially a database as a service, and it can also do authentication. Is that right?
I guess, yep, the database password. Let me enter the password. Create new. Let's say it's working or not. Let's see. Project name's Kingdom. You see here, Superbase actually in the AWS.
Yeah. South
Mhm.
Virginia.
Yeah, I don't know what happened here. Let me see. First, we need permission. It would take 5 minutes. Oh, you use all the token already. My token is gone now. Let's see. You see, right now you can enter email and password, but you should have give you an option name, right? So you can ask him to create another session name other than email and password, right?
Hmm. So
So,
right now, though, now
mhm,
the front end's working because it's prompting you for username and password,
yep.
and you connected the back end, the database,
Hmm.
right? That Superbase. So if you had tokens, we could try to make a new sign up. You would probably could do sign up, right?
Yeah, let me see if it's not working though. Let me see loading. You see, there's an error right here,
I
right?
mean, there should be because you didn't make that account.
Oh, that's right. Let me sign in first. That's right. Sign up right now. Let's say I sign up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There
So
you
the
go.
email go to confirmation. So let me using should using this. So let me try again. All right, confirmation sent. So let's go back here. Let's see this true. They Superbase welcome you, but let me see. I haven't got an email yet. Nope, looks like not
Hmm.
working.
How will
So
it send an email right now?
so looks like there's some problem, right? Let's see the Superbase
I'm just thinking, like,
authentication.
you haven't set up SMTP or POP. How would the email go out? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. You have used all the token already, so we need to upgrade.
Mm-hmm.
We need to upgrade. So should we continue next one because we need
Yeah.
to subscribe and enter our credit card things like that information.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm gonna
All right.
stop recording right now. Hold on, give
Yeah.
me a
So
second.
hold on. Before we do the summary,
Okay.
basically what we did is
Yep.
today we took the information from yesterday, the UI information. We took it in that special ChatGPT version from Purgewell. No, and then we went to Dribble. We found a landing page that we liked. We took the landing page and we put it in that special ChatGPT from Purgewell. We got the information derived from it, all the colors, all the different fonts, etc. Then we took that, put it in ChatGPT, and got a prompt, which we then put into Bolt to make the front end. And finally, you integrated Bolt, which is making the GUI the front end, with Superbase, which is the back end, the database, and the authentication software. That's right, Ken?
That's correct.
All right, cool.
That's correct. So I'm gonna just for the stop recording for now, and then okay.
Take care.